Hello, everyone. Good morning. Prajakta, they want to hear from you more than
Hello.
me.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here.
Prajakta, we before coming, I was seeing this has just happened around your release.
Yes.
This was not planned, guys. This was not planned. You want to tell them about it? Where does it come? Single Papa?
Of course, but before I say that, I can always say that nothing with anything is planned because if there's a Bollywood Hangama thing happening, whether I get an invite or not, I am here for
Yes.
years now.
Yes.
So obviously it's not planned. But yes, did you all get a chance to watch the Single Papa trailer yesterday? If you haven't, wow, guys. Okay, if you haven't, it's a new show I've got coming up on Netflix. It releases on the 12th of December, and the trailer's out, so I would love to know what you think about it when you get a chance to watch it.
Right. Guys, raise your hand. किसने देखा है ट्रेलर? Please जाके देखना. This is your assignment now, okay? Right.
One second, we need to address this. Nobody's watched the trailer?
No, there is one hand
One
going behind.
है, sir.
आपको एक award मिलना चाहिए.
Ah, please.
Right. So, yeah, good. I'm glad you came here and you told all of them this. Right. So, we are talking to Prajakta, a lot of youngsters. You are someone they've seen for years now, I can safely say that. What is the one thing that as you grow, एक responsibility बढ़ती जाती है इनको क्या बोलना है, what to say. At this stage, I know I asked you exactly this question last year. As you evolve, what do you want to tell them? A lot of them want to be content creators. I mean, we have reached a point where हर एक को content creator बनना चाहिए और क्या दिमाग में रखना चाहिए?
100% बनना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं बनना चाहिए? There is a reason why our country is not one of the biggest digital economy in the world. So अगर आप बन सकते हो, अगर वो opportunity है, अगर आपका वो dream है, if you are committed to it, then 100% please do it. And if it's not enough motivation, please know that if you do it for long enough and you do it well, there is money. It is a sustainable business. So yes, please karo. Also, I think that we have become this economy not only because of how much consumption we have, but also because of the sheer amount of creators we have on the platform.
Right.
So agar wo nahi hota, to the platform wouldn't kind of become as big as it is. So I'm kind of glad. So 100% karna chahiye. But having said that, it is not even close to easy. And as someone who's been doing this for almost 11 years now,
Wow.
I keep hoping and I keep telling myself that now I'll get the hang of it, now I'll get the hang of it, now I'll know what I'm doing exactly. But at no point do I know what I'm doing 100%. So it's one job that constantly keeps evolving, and you have to have that much space to make those mistakes and learn from them and then keep moving on without really losing faith.
Wow. That's so interesting to hear that someone like you, who we all think you've aced it and nailed it, you also have your nervousness before planning, putting it out.
Oh, 100%. Every piece of content. Because no matter how long you do it for, it's not like I'm 100% sure about something. Like it's not like I know कि अच्छा ये तो चल ही जाएगा video, ये तो चलने ही वाला है. It's never like that. So yeah.
Right. When we were growing up, there were very youth icons होते थे सबके, but mostly they were just film stars. Or someone will say some politician, some film star, but that's it. Now people like you have come up. They look up to people like you. Do you think the definition of youth icon has only changed?
I think there's a lot more diversity in them.
Yeah.
I mean, I think social media kind of broke down the whole barrier of feeling like someone is not reachable. The whole relatability feeling of it kind of really amplified feeling connected to someone even without having met them. Like there are so many times जब मैं किसी को मिलती हूँ पहली बारी, and I've not met them before, but I've followed them on Instagram and I know everything. Like, I know what they ate for breakfast. I know what their dog is called. So जब मैं उनसे पहली बारी मिलती हूँ तो मेरी उनसे बातें ऐसी होती है कि अरे how is your dog? Now that is not something that I would ask a stranger otherwise. So I think those barriers are really low at this point. So maybe that has changed things.
Right. किसी को एक अपना idol banana, youth icon banana, bulana, there are so many things that go behind it. What all would you keep in mind, which should be a suggestion for them also, when you really look up to someone and you want to be like them? What all will you see?
When I look up to someone,
Yes.
there is so many things, like the little things, right? Like I happen to be in a position which I'm so grateful for, that I get to meet so many people that I look up to. I get to work with so many people that I look up to. Some of the things that I always have in mind is I'll always see how they are to other people. I'll always see how they are to their team. I'll always see how they are to other people around. If we are out, how do they behave? Because it's one thing to be very nice and stuff when the camera is on, but I mean, you of all people will know when the camera is off, it's different people sometimes.
different, yeah.
So that is one of the things I'll always. I mean, I don't make a lot of friends very often, but you know how it sounds very stupid, but you know how you meet somebody and sometimes you feel like, हाँ जी vibe correct थी. कि हाँ मतलब this some like it's not like I bonded with them 100%, but like I wouldn't mind meeting them again. I think these things really start to matter when you kind of go beyond.
Right, that's what she said is so important. For us also, when we meet film stars, they are very nice to us. We are the media, everybody is nice to everyone when the camera is rolling. When they stop and if they are yelling at someone and if they are shouting at someone, that's the point where you judge them that, So what she said is really, really important. Prajakta, do you have to make an effort to, प्लेटफॉर्म्स चेंज हो रहे हैं. पहले यूट्यूब आया, अब 10 और प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ गए हैं. वर्टिकल भी बनाओ, हॉरिजॉन्टल भी बनाओ. इज इट अ चैलेंज टू स्टे रेलेवेंट, और दैट पार्ट इज इजी, जस्ट द मीडियम्स कीप चेंजिंग?
No, I think all of it is a challenge.
Okay.
But also, having said that, it's a very significant part of our job as creators.
Yeah.
मतलब it's not like when I started doing YouTube, ऐसा था कि चलो अब जी यही है, सारी life यही करना है, life set है. At that time also we knew कि like I remember so many creators at that time would talk about, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Like
Yeah.
what if a platform just shuts down? And that's what happened with TikTok.
Correct, yeah,
Where
yeah.
suddenly overnight a platform's just vanished from our lives. The good thing is that because the medium is evolving so quickly,
Right.
as a creator, you kind of develop that thick skin to adapt to changes very easily. Like I remember the first time when the team and I, we sat down and they're like, okay Prajakta, now we have to make 15-second vertical content. Oh my God, what does that even mean? मैं 6 मिनट के वीडियो बनाती हूँ यार YouTube पे. 15 सेकंड में मैं 15 सेकंड तो हाय गाइस व्हाट्स अप, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग, मोस्टली सेन में निकल जाते
true,
हैं.
yeah.
I said I don't know how to go beyond that. But we learned. I mean, we did some stupid content and some of it didn't work and some of it did.
Yeah.
And then we learned from the ones that did and then moved on to the... So I think you are very adaptable and malleable as a mind when it comes to being a creator. And then eventually you figure your way out.
Right. Well, that's true. Like content का time छोटा होता जा रहा है. किसी ने बोला हमको 30 seconds में movie review करो, but movie का title था I told Ananya, तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी, हो गए मैं 30 seconds उसमें. But Prajakta, we see you in movies also, which we really enjoy. आप special appearance भी करते हो, full on roles भी करते हो. पहले सब कहते थे या तो ये. कैसे ये बैलेंस होगा, और क्या आप इनको बता रही हैं आप दोनों रखेंगी पैरेलली, इट विल गो ऑन?
मैं तो कह रही हूँ 6 के 6 रखो. 2 क्यों? It's such a nice time to be any form of storyteller in our country right now. कि आप कंटेंट भी बना सकते हो, आप एक्टिंग भी कर सकते हो, आप बुक भी लिख सकते हो. उसके बारे में सुना है? Oh, thank God. पता चले उस पे भी हाथ ना आए. नहीं सुना हो तो बता दो. It's called Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kori. Please read it if you're a romance fiction fan.
Right. How many guys, raise your hand, how many of you want to become content creators? Okay, few. डरो मत, बिंदास बताओ. कोई नहीं देख रहे हैं. Okay, so you all want to be content creators. That's really interesting.
So yeah, I don't think we are in a place where we need to choose. I think the beauty of this spot or this job is that you can actually try whatever comes your way, and multiple doors, even doors that you didn't expect to open for you, might just...
Right. Are you a consumer also? Do you watch like beauty?
All the time.
This, that?
All the time.
What is your algorithm sending you these days?
My algorithm right now is, if you go to my explore page, there'll be cats, dogs, and there'll be a lot of these. So if do you all read romance novels by any chance? So if you're a book talk girly, most of your feed is going to be just dirty things. Because if you follow enough romance book handles, it's just a lot of recreation of those chapters. So suddenly sometimes Rishank is very like, what are you watching on Instagram? And I'm like, shut up, it's from this book I'm reading. So it's a lot of that. But there are a few creators that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with Dharna. Everything Dharna does, I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with the Kaushal brothers, Govind and Vishnu. Also Vicky and Sunny. I love Anubhavi. Have you all seen Anubhavi?
Please check
On
it out.
Instagram. Oh my God, her sketches again. RJ Karishma, like all this whole. I was shooting with Agastya yesterday. I think he's really fun. I love watching Tanisha. I think there's a lot of these creators that जिनकी life में बड़ी closely follow करती हूँ. Dolly, I'm a huge fan of. So a lot of this content constantly.
Wow. When do you write? You know, because you write also. When do you, like, you know, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि मैं खाली रात को शांति में लिख सकता हूँ, or I take a holiday, go to a hill station and write. When do you write?
Unfortunately or fortunately, I tried putting like a method to that madness, because writing by far is one of the most challenging things that I have to do at work.
true, yeah.
It's the steepest climb for every chapter for me. It's a proper like reset हो जाता है हर बारी जितनी बारी मैं बैठती हूँ. तो I try to kind of put a lot of method to it कि मैंने कहा चलो नहीं ऐसे करेंगे कि travel कर लेंगे कि नहीं सब सोने के बाद मैं रात को 2 घंटे बैठूंगी. But the way that our job is, I mean, you'll know there is no timetable, there is no schedule. Like I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, so it's very difficult for me to like plan a slot out. So after trying and failing a few times at that, I realized कि now I will write whenever I can. So I will write on planes, I'll write at home, I'll make notes when I'm traveling in the car, or I will, if I'm working from home. So कई वो भी होता है कि sometimes I'll keep 3 days कि I have to only write, and उन 3 दिनों में कुछ भी नहीं निकलता. So it's such a roller coaster.
Right. You know, it's a morning. It's a good time to give some gyan here. Prajakta, what keeps you motivated? इतने साल भी हो गए, you know, camera निकालो, shoot करो. There has to be some motivation that comes from within. What are those few things that you want to tell them? You wake up and you do what you do.
First of all, I love my job, and I don't say this for effect. I genuinely do. I love every part of it. The only thing I didn't like about my job was editing, so I don't do that anymore.
Okay,
but I have a very capable team who does that for me. But every other part of my job, I love. I love that not one day is like another. That's the biggest motivation. And second is money.
Yeah.
I love working because it gives me money. And imagine doing a job that you enjoy doing every day, and then it pays you also.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Brilliant. OTT changed things for you. Did it add a lot of things in your...
Majorly.
Yeah.
Majorly.
Like in what way?
I honestly didn't think that I was I was even in the radar of, you know, directors and writers and creators when it came to big platforms like Prime and Netflix. Like I really didn't think that was it. So when I got an audition call for Mismatched, I was like, I said, oh, first though I thought, I said, is there another Prajakta Koi that they're trying to reach out to, or is there another Prajakta? Because there's this Marathi actor, her name is Prajakta Mari, who I also really like. तो कई बारी ना कुछ लोगों के phones में हमारे नाम अलग हैं, तो कभी कभी प्राजक्ता माड़ी के कॉल टाइम्स मुझे आ जाते हैं, ड्राइवर के डिटेल्स मेरे पास आ जाते हैं कि मैम कल सुबह 6 बजे एयरपोर्ट के लिए पिकअप है. सो आई वाज लाइक इज दिस
getting scared कि
कहाँ जाना है भाई. सो पहले मुझे वो लगा था, but then eventually when it got through, I mean, everything Mismatched has opened up so many doors for me. I don't think anything that kind of led up would have led up that easily,
right,
for someone like me.
Yeah. So while they go and they promise they will go and watch your film today,
please.
And what else? Where else will they see you this year, coming year?
So Single Papa is out on Netflix on the 12th of December. If we have any Marathi speaking audience, I also have a Maharashtrian movie. I also have a Marathi movie coming out on the 1st of Jan in theaters. It's called Kranti Jyoti Vidyalaya Marathi Madhyam. Again, very, very fun, very interesting. The makers are people that I look up to. So that releases. I'm also working on my second book. And then the one annual thing we all look up to year after year is season 4 of Mismatched, so that should be fun.
Amazing. We'll take 2-3 questions from the audience. Can we have the mic? I think, there's a mic next to you. Yeah, please ask.
Hello Prajakta, this is Vidhi.
Hi Vidhi.
Vidhi.
Hi Vidhi.
Hi, I'm from KC College, and this is such a surreal moment to see you because you're the reason why I started writing.
You write?
Yeah.
What do you write?
First of all, I started diary writing because of
Nice.
you. I remember
Journaling,
watching that video of
Yeah.
you reading your own diary.
I
Yeah, there's a video. It's an old one from like
I
16,
read my
17.
oh yes. I read bits. So yeah.
Yeah.
I was like,
So-
1 second, what have I put on the internet?
So that was the reason I started writing. So that's very inspirational for
Isn't
me.
it the
So
best though?
it's
Feels
the
so good.
best thing that has ever happened to
yeah.
me, and you're the reason behind it. So thank you.
Thank you.
And I really loved your Real Talk Tuesday videos, and that's the biggest question I had while coming here. When are the Real Talk Tuesday videos coming back?
I want to say very soon, but I've said that so many times. I only cringe internally when I said that now. Say that now, but I'm working on it. I promise. There is just this year has been crazy, dude. Like it started with a book, then I went and got married, which apparently is the most efficient thing I've done according to like social media numbers. Like the team and I sat down and we saw numbers. मैंने कहा इतने साल में इतना काम किया. The one thing to go viral and blow up was my wedding pictures. I told Vishaka, we should do
Big
this every
hand
year.
to that. Congratulations. Yes.
So that happened. Then we shot Single Papa. Single Papa's out. There's a bunch of travel that has happened. So I've just been a little chaotic in my head, but I promise thoda sa raita samet ke I will get back on track. Yes, I promise.
Let me be a
Thank you.
journalist here and ask, has life changed drastically?
For the better,
Shadi?
yeah. I think the biggest change, because marriage, तो क्या अल्लाह ना, I've been with him for 14 years now. So it's not like at any point we were like, पता नहीं करेंगे कि नहीं, शादी तो हो गई तो चौंक गए. ऐसा तो नहीं था. हमेशा से पता था कि करनी थी. I think the biggest change has been moving out of my parents' house and living with him. Because that we never did. But, you know, can I just say that I highly recommend, if you are on the edge about should I get married, should I not, do it. I highly recommend it. I'm having a great time. It's like living with your best friend. And of the 14 years that we've been together, I think the months that like 9 months now that we've been married have been golden, touchwood. So
Amazing.
Yeah.
So nice to hear that. One more question. Yes, the girl next, right next to, yeah, sorry, ask. Yeah.
Hi, Prajakta. My name is Ophelia.
Ophelia?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
First of all, I can't express my happiness right now. My dum-dum heart is so
Very
happy to
thank
see you. I could have never imagined this happening. But my question is that I have been a very big fan of your family videos, that is Baba Kohli, Montu Kohli and Mama Kohli. So my question is, you started with a video called 5 Types of People on Valentine's
Why
Day.
do you remember that?
Because I watch your
Why?
videos.
Why would you go down 11 years to watch that? And then why would you come and tell me that?
So my question was, how did you think of switching from those types of videos to make a family video, and how did the concept of Montu come? Because you don't have a sibling, right?
Yes, and thank you so much
So-
for saying that. So many people think Montu is a real person. They're like, how are Mama, Baba and Montu? So पहले तो मैं हंस देती थी. I'm like, हाँ अच्छा है, उसके exams चल रहे हैं. Then they started asking questions कि उसको problem नहीं होती है, आप उसका मजाक उड़ाते हो. मैंने कहा, it's not a real person.
So yeah, Montu is my favorite character. So I just wanted to ask, how did you come up with the concept of family and especially Montu?
I mean, उस time पे honestly, I will never say that, मेरे एक दिन मेरे दिमाग में ये idea. Everybody was doing those videos. I mean, I was a huge fan of Lily at that time. Lily and Jasreen and everyone at that time were. How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh boy. So you will not know Jasreen. But you should check his videos out. He's one of my favorite creators. He's amazing. He also has a show that he's written and acted in now. So at that time, everybody was making this. This is 11 years ago when you were 7. Wow. So at that time, everybody was making those family kind of skits and videos. So it was something that I realized that this is what is working on the internet, so maybe I should do it. And Montu, I don't know, dude. Like in my head, if I had a sibling, I guess that is how my relationship with that sibling would be. It's just messed up that both the sibling and me are played by me.
Right, guys, the thing about Prajakta is we can go on, and this will just continue till evening. I promise you there's a very nice and another guest and another panel waiting. So Prajakta, we have to wrap this
let's do
and
it.
move on. Guys, thank you so much. Big hand to
Thank you.
Prajakta.
Thank you so much. Please watch Single Papa trailer.